Bienvenue à Envol Anglais. Je suis Fatima, heureuse de vous accompagner pour maîtriser l'anglais. Commençons par les salutations de base.
Let's start. The most common way of greeting is hello. You can use it anytime and with anyone. It's polite and universal. Say it with me. Hello. As for hi, it is a friendly, informal greeting used especially with friends or people you know. Now listen and repeat. Hi. Now each greeting has a time-based. Like good morning is used from waking till noon. Good afternoon is used from noon till early evening. And finally, good evening is used from late afternoon till night. Now you try. Say it with me. Good morning. Good afternoon. And good evening. Pause the video and repeat. After greeting someone, it's polite to show interest and care. One common way to do this is by asking about their well-being. You can say, "How are you?" or "How are you doing?" These questions show that you care. Now try asking, "How are you?" Now, when you ask someone, "How are you?" it's important to know how to respond politely. A common and simple response is, "I'm fine, thank you." Listen and repeat, "I'm fine, thank you." Again, "I'm fine, thank you." As we end the conversation, we use farewell phrases. Let's practice them together. You can say, goodbye, bye, or see you soon. Now, let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Goodbye. Bye. See you soon. Great job today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.